Newbie Writer's Workshop. Part 4. What is the difference between a plotter, pantser, or plantser? What is point of view or POV?
What is the difference between being a plotter, pantser, and plantser? Plotter. Plotters meticulously plan their stories before they start writing. They create detailed outlines, character bios, and scene breakdowns. This method ensures that the plot is well-structured and coherent. It can be time-consuming but helps avoid major rewrites. Pantser. Pantsers write by the seat of their pants, without a detailed plan. They discover the story as they go, letting the characters and plot unfold naturally. This approach can lead to unexpected and creative plot twists. However, it may require extensive revision to ensure the story is coherent and well-paced. Plantser, a blend of plotter and pantser. Plantsters start with a rough outline or basic plan but remain flexible. This approach allows for creativity and spontaneity within a loose framework. Plantsters can adapt their plan as new ideas and developments arise. They benefit from having a structure while still embracing the creative process. Each style has its strengths and challenges, and the choice often depends on the writer's personality and creative process. Some writers even switch between these methods depending on the project or their current mood. Which one resonates most with you?
POV in novel writing. Point of view in novel writing refers to the perspective from which the story is told. It significantly impacts how readers experience the narrative, understand characters, and connect with the plot. Here are the main types of POV. First person. The story is told from the perspective of a character. Often the protagonist uses I and we pronouns, provides intimate insight into the narrator's thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Example: I walked down the street, feeling the chill of the morning air. Second person. The story addresses the reader directly, using you pronouns, creates an immersive and engaging experience. Less common in novels but effective in certain narratives. Example: you walk down the street, feeling the chill of the morning air. Third person limited. The story is told from the perspective of an outside narrator, focusing on one character's thoughts and feelings. Uses he, she, and they pronouns. Allows readers to closely follow the protagonist while maintaining some narrative distance. Example: he walked down the street, feeling the chill of the morning air. Third person omniscient. The story is told from an all-knowing narrator who can provide insight into multiple characters' thoughts and experiences. Uses he, she, and they pronouns. Offers a broader view of the story and allows for more complex plot developments. Example: he walked down the street, feeling the chill of the morning air. Across town, she was preparing for a busy day. Third person objective. The story is told by an impartial narrator who reports only what can be observed. No access to characters' internal thoughts or feelings. Creates a more detached and observational narrative style. Example: he walked down the street. The morning air was cold. Each POV has its strengths and can be chosen based on the story's needs, the desired level of intimacy with characters, and the overall narrative style. Which POV do you find most compelling for your writing? In Part 5, we will cover settings in a novel. In the meantime, you have enough information to start putting your story together. If you want to run a few paragraphs by me, feel free to email me at forewriters@gmail.com.